We divide 745 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 4 and it is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. So 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 0. So 745 divided by 5 is 149. So this much for today and thanks for watching.